Is it time to change your differential oil in your Can-Am Defender? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. We're going to start by taking out the drain plug for your differential. Make sure there's no chunks of metal or excess metal shavings on the magnet on the plug. If there are, you'll need to check out your differential components, make sure they're in good shape. You'll also want to check the O-ring, make sure it's in good shape and intact as well. And if it's not, contact your local Can-Am dealer to get a new one. Once the oil is done draining, you can reinstall your drain plug. Next, you're going to remove your fill plug. Now, we've removed the tire just for filming purposes, but you won't have to. You'll want to inspect the O-ring on your fill plug, make sure that it's still in good shape and make sure it's still there. If it's not, contact your local Can-Am dealership to get a replacement. Now you'll fill it up with your Can-Am differential gear oil. Fill the oil until it starts to drip back out and then reinstall your fill plug. That's how simple it is to change the oil in your differential. Happy riding!